Hey there, Eric here, your learning futurist. If you're exploring the world in virtual reality, you're going to need to know how to find places quickly, like where we are in Kyoto, Japan, and zoom down into those places and start exploring them. And when we start creating tours in virtual reality, you're going to need to understand the concept of latitude and longitude. It's a system of coordinates that we've set up to be able to locate any place on Earth quickly and easily. And in this video, we're going to show you what this is, how to find it on Google Maps, and how to use them to explore the world in virtual reality. All right, latitude and longitude. It's two numbers put together in a set that can tell you wherever you are or wherever a place is on Earth to an enormous amount of degree. And we're going to use this a lot when we start exploring the world using virtual reality because if we know at least the concept of latitude and longitude, we'll be able to jump to a new place on Earth just like that, right? Like we couldn't do in travel before. It's such a great thing to be able to jump from one place to another, and these coordinates are going to allow you to know where to go or how to read these coordinates. Let's say you wanted just to slice the world up. Slice it from the top to the bottom in equal lines, and then look at it from the top and start slicing it in a circle like a pizza. And that is basically what these come up to. In the middle, we have the equator, and then we start slicing in 10-degree increments until we get to 90 degrees at the top pole, and then slicing down every 10 degrees till we get to 90 degrees at the bottom pole. And around the top, we have a circle, which is 360 degrees. So we usually put a line about every 30 degrees, which is about the same as 10 degrees in this in the latitude. And each one of these represents 30 degrees, and you can go all the way around for 360 degrees. So two sets of numbers, your latitude and your longitude, will put you anywhere on the world. And you can find these numbers super easily when you look at Google Maps. Let's take a look at that right now. The thing that I just showed you before was the Kyoto Tower. So we're going to go take a look at Kyoto Tower inside of Google Maps. Right, so I've already looked this up. It's super easy. Right here we have Kyoto Tower. Zoom out a little bit so you guys can see where this is in the world, right? Kyoto, it's in Japan, in the center of Japan. I got lots of places to save, lots of tours that students in the My Hometown project have already shared. And I'm just zooming in on Kyoto Station, which is the major train station. And they actually have a little tower here to show you where that Kyoto Tower is. So if we wanted to find that, all I have to do is right-click on it, and it has some numbers. And if I click on those, it's going to automatically import those numbers. So we have here 34.98775, 135.75932. Now, there's your latitude and longitude. So how far 30 degrees from the equator up, 135 degrees from the prime meridian out. Now, what's important to know about these numbers is that the degrees is put in an integer, which meaning 34.98. And sometimes when you read the latitude and longitude, it's written in minutes and seconds. So in every degree, there are 60 minutes, and in every minute, there are 60 seconds, much like we look at the seconds and time for a clock that goes around in a circle. So there are a few different ways you can read this, but if you're using the My Hometown project and other VR projects, and you want to be able to put your tour on a map, this is my tour, my hometown of Tucson, Arizona, and we're looking at a map right now. All you'd like to do is figure out that latitude and longitude and stick that in. And now people, when they stick in at least around those coordinates, they could know to find the tour of your hometown as you look to those and start exploring them and exploring your classmates' home tours in this project. If you want to know more about that project, come on down to togetherlearning.com and join us in our journey to share our lives and our hometowns through virtual reality. That's all for this video. Hope this helped you make a better VR tour to explore the world. I'm Eric for Together Learning. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.